Nestled in an area of the Baltic Triangle once used by merchants, 24 Kitchen Street has become the birthplace of feminist groups. This special workshop has been set up to encourage more women to try DJing. Thought up by two local female DJs, Nina Franklin and Maddie Hall, the aim is to diversify the club scene. The new workshop allows the participants to practice their new skills without the fear of judgment in a real music venue. Kitchen Street is growing increasingly popular for up-and-coming electronic musical talent and has regular club nights. The organisers are hoping that these workshops will encourage a new wave of empowered female DJs. Nina works for a local radio station called Melodic Distraction.
These people are all complete beginners, apart from one person who's been on decks maybe once. And we wanted to have a place where people can come and use the equipment in a safe feeling environment and have a go on them for long enough to actually get comfortable with the equipment. A lot of the problems that women face when it comes to using equipment like this is it seems quite scary. It can be seen as like a boys' game. The equipment is also quite expensive. So thankfully 24 Kitchen Street have been very gracious and allowed to use their equipment. And we've had another DJ upstairs, Maddie Hall, and she's using her expertise as well to come in and show people what it's all about and allow people to play the music they love for other people. And it's just loads of fun. It's just, I've seen people coming in who are a little bit nervous, not quite sure, like they're feeling a bit embarrassed, and now they're just going in, having a go, making mistakes, having a laugh, and making new friends as well in the process.
Portia Tester and Lucy Winter for Liverpool Live.